Hi guys, Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist here, and today I'm working with Ever Makeup and their Out the Door palette. You guys, look at my before picture. Now look at my after picture. Guys, I have kids, I have work, I have lots of laundry. I don't have much time for makeup. I am a professional makeup artist, but I'm gonna do it on myself instead of a client. I wanna show you how easy it is. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now let's do this right now. Come on, put down the laundry, put down the snacks. Let's do this. I love this tinted moisturizer because it hydrates, it primes, it evens skin out, it covers fine lines. It's the best. Now I'm using the Daylight Treatment Concealer. This is great for any imperfections under the eyes or anywhere on the face. Next, I'm using the Out the Door Cheek and Eye Palette in Bold and Brave. First, I'm going to start with one graceful cheek with the cheek brush. Check out this contour, people. Look how easy this is. Now I'm taking this magnificent cheek 2 and 3 to match with cheek 2 and 3 for number 2. I'm just gonna put it all over the apple and up and just give my skin a really dewy look. So radiant. Now I'm just gonna add a little pop of color on the cheeks. I look so much healthier. Now I'm gonna move to the eyes, and they make it easy with this dual-ended brush. The first color, Polished Eye, number 1, I'm just blending all over the lid and into the crease. Number 2, Fierce Eye, I'm just gonna swipe on the lid of my eye, just to give it a little sparkle. Number 3, Mesmerizing Eye, I'm gonna smoke on the lower lash line, and then put a hint of it on the corner of my upper lid. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, Whiplash. I'm obsessed with this mascara because it builds volume and length super fast, and you can keep layering it. Layer it once, layer it twice, layer it as many times as you want. It's a real inky formula that stays put all day. It's smudge and flake and clump resistant. It's so easy. I'm obsessed. I love this gloss. It has vitamin E and magnolia oil, so it's super conditioning and it plumps instantly. There's light reflecting pigments and vitamin C to help smooth and visibly brighten the skin. I'm obsessed. Let's do one more coat of mascara to make this look super bold and brave. So if you want to get out the door and be the boldest and bravest that you can, go to everskin.com and get all these products. I promise you won't regret it. I'm not kidding. I wouldn't do this if I didn't mean it. Now you have time to go get your work done. Or put another coat of Whiplash on, which I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Comment below, subscribe, tell me what you think. Have a great week. Love you, mean it.